Hey, what's up, beauties? It's your girl Brittany, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be showing you all how I apply my foundation using Smashbox's 15-hour coverage hydrating foundation. I have really dry skin, so I'm gonna see how this works with my skin. Hopefully it won't make it like too ashy looking, because I hate when that happens. So yeah, this will just be my foundation routine. It's not going to be like an entire makeup routine, but since the foundation is like the base of your makeup, like it's the foundation of your makeup basically, yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I apply my foundation just for a full face and full coverage to last me, hopefully, by what Smashbox say, I'm going to be on fleek for 15 hours. So yeah, let's just hop right on in. So first, I'm starting off with freshly washed skin, a freshly washed face. And I also moisturize my face with shea butter because my skin is so dry. Shea butter is like the only thing that really moisturizes my face that I've found. Okay, so I'm first going to go in with my Smashbox primer spray. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face just to, because you want to prime your face. And I'm going to be real generous. But you want to prime your face before you put any like makeup on, because you don't want your pores to get clogged. Like, you want to prepare your face for all the stuff that you're about to put on it. So just a few more squirts. I feel like I'm gonna let it. And I'm just gonna let that dry. So then I'm gonna take my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. If you guys can see, I'm just gonna take my Photo Finish Primer and I'm just gonna apply it on my face, like so. And then I'm just gonna rub it in. Next, once I get my primer all set, I like to go in and fill in my eyebrows. There's going to be a separate video on how I fill in my eyebrows because it takes me a while to fill in my eyebrows and I don't want to make this video too long. So yeah, make sure you look for the separate video. It should be uploaded along with this one on how I fill in my brows so that you can see that tutorial. Alright, so now that I've got my brows looking all good, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D translucent lotion. My Kat Von D translucent powder. And I'm just going to put that like in my T-zone area. I'm just going to put it up here in this area and also down here. But Happy New Year, you guys. I hope you all had a good New Year's Eve, New Year's. Comment below if you had a New Year's resolution this year. I did. My resolution was to be more focused. Well, just like shift my focus and just be like, my new word for the new year, let's say that. My new word for the new year is focused. And I just really want to focus like on, I'll say the seeds that I've been planting, because you know, I'm a spiritual person and I believe I've been planting these seeds and they're just gonna like manifest. So I'm really gonna focus on like my goals, I should say, that I've set for myself, and just working on really like giving my all and yeah, pushing myself to get the things that I want to get done, you know. See, it's like my skin is flaking already. Okay, so this is the final look. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. So now that I put on my powder, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox. I cannot talk today. I don't know what is going on, but clearly my tongue is twisting like crazy. But next I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. And I got this in the color 4.0. I don't know if you guys can see it because the focus is blurry. There you go. I got this in the color 4.0, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I'm just gonna apply some to my hand. You know, this is my first time using a liquid foundation. I usually use the MAC powder foundation in the A75 dark. I don't know, but yeah, I usually use the mineralized skin finish foundation. So this is my first time ever using a liquid foundation, so I'm anxious to see what. Oh, okay. Does anybody else make like crazy faces when they put their makeup on? Cause I feel like I'm always looking like super crazy. I like it, I think. And the powder didn't make my skin doesn't look too like ashy. Can't neglect the under area, the under the chin area. We're gonna hit that up one time for the one time. And just get that on in. And then we're just gonna get that forehead one time. Like looking like a deer in headlights. I'm really liking the whole liquid foundation thing. I think I prefer to use the liquid foundation than the powder foundation, just because I feel like I can really just see the coverage. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Oh, may I see? Yep. And I got this in the color NC45. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not focusing the best. And I'm just gonna apply that to my T-zone area, so like under my eyes and like up here and under my lower lip. So I'm just gonna apply that under my eye, starting in the outside area and working my way in and up. And I also sometimes just put a little bit on my eyelid. And I found that like when you put concealer on your eyelid before you put on your eyeshadow, oh my gosh, it makes your eyeshadow just like pop completely. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm just gonna make sure I don't mess up my brows. So now I'm gonna take the Sephora Make No Mistake foundation and concealer stick, and I got this in the color Walnut. I should have got a darker color because I just like, sorry, I didn't even tell you what I was about to do. So I'm gonna use this for my contour, and I like it to I like to accentuate. I just kind of like the look, the way that the contour makes your face look all like, you know. So I'm just gonna put that in my, see, it's like, it's kind of darker, I guess. I don't know, you guys. But I'm just gonna put that, you know, around here and like on my forehead area, and hopefully this will like darken this up, because this ash is like, I'm not with it at all. So I'm just gonna put that there, and I'm also just gonna put a little bit on the sides of my nose just to give it that effect. And take my blender and just blend it in. I love how makeup, like, it makes you feel like a new person. Like, and makeup is fun. Like, it's not like a perfect way to do makeup, you know? Like, it's like a form of art, I feel like. Like, I feel like I'm painting a canvas right now. Ooh, look. The ash is gone. Ash no more. So I'm just gonna blend that. Now I'm going back in with my Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm gonna blend it with my blending brush, whatever. I call it an egg because it's shaped like an egg to me. But I'm just gonna go back in just to set everything. You wanna set your makeup when you finish putting it on. And I know I should probably be using a different beauty blender. I had got another one, but I lost it somehow. So I'm stuck to just having one. But I like to have like a blender, a beauty blender, egg, whatever, for my powders and for like my foundation. So probably isn't the best move to be doing this, but hey, we're gonna make it work today. And I'm just gonna put this on all over my face just to set my look. And I'm not really getting my contour area. I'll probably dab over it a little bit once I get this going, but I would normally like to use a darker powder, but this is all I have right now, so I don't normally put this on that area. Oh, y'all, I didn't even blend the foundation on my nose. I'm wondering, I'm like, my nose look extra dark, extra tan. I was a little confused, but I was like, hey, it is what it is. Guess that's what it was. And make sure you guys check out my brow video so you can see how I fill them in. I don't like them McDonald's, like Michael Jordan, I believe I can fly eyebrows. I hate them. Like, let's leave that trend in 2017, y'all. Let's stop with the creative brow, okay? Can we go back to just filling them in? They look so much better. Okay, so this is, you know, after I've put the setting powder all on my face. I don't usually let it sit. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I might let it sit while I put on my lashes or whatever, but today I just went ahead and blended it. So okay, so since I don't use the translucent powder to like put in my contour areas, I'm using the bronzing powder, the NYC. It's the NYC Sun and Bronze bronzing powder, and I like to just use like these darker shades and just put them on my contour areas. Since I don't have a darker setting powder, I just like to use the bronzing powder, and it just kind of sets it off for me. I don't know if it does or doesn't, but in my mind it does. I'm just gonna put it up here, and also on my nose area. And I just kind of squeeze the brush because it's kind of thicker. I just kind of squeeze the brush and hit those points. Bam, wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. That's pretty much like the gist of my foundation, like the base of my face routine. Like at this point I would go in with, you know, if I'm gonna do eyeshadow or my blush and my highlight, but like I said, I'm going for more of like a natural look today. Once I finish everything, this is all I'm gonna do to my face today. I'm gonna do, you know, my lip liner and lip gloss, but face wise, this is what it's getting. And like I said, this is just I just wanted to show you guys my foundation routine, and from this point you can do whatever. You can do your eyeshadow, your highlight, your blush, whatever you want to do. So I'm just gonna go back in with my photo finish primer water. So I'm just gonna spray this all on my face and be generous, you know, because this is set and everything. Let me stop talking so I can spray. And this just sets everything, you know, so you could be generous with it. So yeah, this concludes my foundation routine. Is very easy. Like if you're a beginner, new to makeup, this will definitely be something that you can do. Like I said, I'm not a makeup pro, but this is definitely like a good routine, you know, just starting out and trying to see what you like and what works best. As you can see, my skin is like popping. Like it looks so nice and smooth. I'll even give y'all a close-up, okay, because that's how real it is. But look at my skin, you guys. And as you can see, my makeup is not, it doesn't look heavy. It doesn't look like I have a bunch of makeup caked on my face. It just looks really, really natural. So if you're going for like more of a natural look and something that'll last you all night, then I would definitely give this a try. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell button too, so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces.